Okay, so this is the drawing I did. It's a 3D in Blender. It's not exactly 100%, like a CAD program or anything, but you get the gist of it. So we've got 7 meters here, 5 meters there, 3 meters there, 3.5 meters there, and this is 4 meters, and this is 1.5 meters. So you've got a window at the front, door at the side with another window, and we've got a bifold. Doors there, you open this way and you can push it all the way to the back. And I plan to have a pergola here with decked area, so you can put a hot tub or something like that. I've done so far from here to here, which is 3 meters. In the current video you're watching, I'll go from here all the way to there. And over the weekend I plan to do from here all the way to there. Hopefully I can do the 7 meters in 2 days. This took me roughly 4.5 to 5 hours. This took me just over 4 hours, which is good. I was sweating a lot here, getting tired a lot because I wasn't used to digging, but while doing this it got a lot easier. Took less breaks, didn't get tired as often, and I'm hoping doing this is going to give it even more stamina, a bit more stamina to finish this, and this should be easier. Here I need to break the slab that's currently sitting under the shed. The shed's going to be here, but that's a different day, another process, probably start in the spring. Get rid of that shed and put the decking and the pergola here. It's not going to be like this. I just nicked this from somewhere to show an example. And that Steve is drawn to scale. He's not currently in the right position, so when you go there, this is 2.5 to the top from the bottom, 2.5 meters. So that's has the average height of a person, 1.8 meters, and this is what it's going to look like. So let's carry on with the digging. Tried using an arbor drill, didn't work too well. My drill isn't powerful enough, so it's made a big mess. So, new day, new angle for recording.
worth it for today. It's not a bad job, I think. Fox still hasn't returned. Don't want it to return, but that's a good thing. It's a lot more progress than I anticipated for today. Done well at all. Just over an hour altogether. Tomorrow's a Saturday. I'm going to start on that side. Anyway, things got delayed there. Lots of ceramics, concrete, and look at that, metal plates, and bricks, brick or ceramic, I don't know, plastic bags, pebbles, gravel, whatnot, but pretty much there. But to do that bit I need to go this way so I can make a step. So I make steps so I can reach down, otherwise it's a long way to reach, especially when you're standing like this. That's a long reach down there and it's not good for your back. So if I make steps I can take a step down and I don't have to reach that far down. So tomorrow I'm going to start there. Hopefully I can get all the way to the end by the end of the weekend, but I got a feeling we've got more of this here. And the grape tree is old, it's big, and the roots are found over there, so there's a lot of roots. You might slow things down a bit. Got to remove this because over here it's coming forward by about 40 centimeters right there, and there about 20 centimeters. So either lift it up and attach it to that fence, or just move it all the way down there. I think I'll move it down there if I can. I'm not sure how heavy it is. It's just wood and tin. Should be alright dragging along. So things are a lot higher here. I remember seeing cement bags here. See how it goes. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I'll go through that entire process of making this summer house. So as I said, this is the wall that's 3.5 meters, window here, door here, window there, and over here the bifold doors going that way from here, and the pile is getting big. Mound, I might need to find another place, and this is just from here, and the distance from there to there is the same as from here to there. So I'm going to end up having another mound that big just for that, and I can only come up to here because I need to dig this up. So that's the problem. I need to find another place. Plus I've got to move this swing set. Move this swing set somewhere. I don't know where. Sun is dipping, and see you next time.